Okay guys, today we're going to learn about our laughing sound. Okay, ready? Here's our laughing sound. We say ha ha ha. So this one, remember, is our big mouth. We have our big mouth like we're going to eat a big cheeseburger or a big piece of watermelon, or we're trying to get lots of olives in our mouths. Remember, we use our big mouth. Ha ha ha. Like a good laugh sound. Ha 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 ha. Okay? Okay, let's practice it 5 times and then we're going to read our book. Ready? Ha, 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 ha. Nice job. Okay, here's our book about our laughing sound. This is Hide and Seek Hippo. I wonder what this one's going to be. Are you ready? Have you seen baby hippo? It's time for him to come home. Oh, Miss Kinsey's having a hard time turning the page. There we go. He must be here somewhere. Is he hiding in Hummingbird's honeysuckle? Shh, I'm hiding. Is he playing hide and seek? Is he hiding in Hedgehog's hole? Is he hiding in Hare's hutch? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's practice our laughing sound. Ready? 5 times. Or ha 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 ha. Do it both ways. Is he hiding in the hen's house? It's hatching! Oh my goodness. Do you see his mom right there? His mom is trying to find him. He's really good at playing hide and seek. Is he hiding in Horse's haystack? Hippo? Hi. See him hiding right there? Is he hiding behind the honeybee's hive? Find your own honey. Is he going to eat their honey right there? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's practice our sound. Ready? Ha, 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 ha. Good job. Oh, it's good to see it. Is he hiding in the hyena's hideout? I'm hungry. Hungry for hippo hot dogs. Hurry back. Help! Oh no, I think the hyenas were maybe going to eat him. Okay, let's practice our sound. Ready? Or with our voice on. Nice job. Okay, where could baby hippo be hiding? Mother hippo has something for him. Here I am! A great big hippo hug. Hip hip hooray! Oh, I'm so glad they found each other. How many things can you find that begin with the letter H? Okay, let's see if we can find them. Ooh, I see a horse and a hippo. Oh, and a hamburger and a hula hoop. And a horse and a house and a beehive and a hen. Ooh, and a haystack. I think I already said horse, didn't I? I think that's all of them. If you find more, let me know. Sometimes Miss Kinsey may not see all of them. Okay, let's do our cheer. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, Kinsey can't see it that way. H is for honeybee. H is for hen. H is for hamster and hogs in a pen. H is for hiccups, hat, hug, and horse. H is for hula hoop and hippo, of course. Hooray for H. Big and small, the happiest letter of all. Nice job. Okay, let's practice our sound. One more time. Ready? Here's our laughing sound. Say, ha, ha, ha. Or, ha, ha, ha. Got some good laughs in there. Okay, guys, I'll see you next time for another letter, okay? Bye.